First of all, we need to be aware about alpha hydrogen and alpha carbon. Consider about this structure. This structure is known as acetaldehyde. Then this group is known as carbonyl group. Then we need to consider about the carbon atom adjacent to the carbonyl carbon. This one is carbonyl carbon. Then we need to consider about this carbon. Then this carbon is known as alpha carbon. Then alpha hydrogen means hydrogen atoms combine with alpha carbon atoms. Then this CH3 group is comprises with 3 alpha hydrogen atoms. Then consider about this one. This one is known as acetophenone. Then this acetophenone is comprises with 2 alpha carbon, because we can see this carbonyl carbon is comprises with 2 alpha carbon. Then we need to consider about alpha hydrogen. We can see in this carbon, this one does not exist with alpha hydrogen, but this carbon is comprises with 3 alpha hydrogens. Basically this alpha hydrogen shows acidic features, so this alpha hydrogen reacts with basic medium, that means OH minus group. Just now we are going to talking about self-condensation of aldehydes. First of all, you need to consider about this aldehyde. We know this one is known as acetaldehyde. In this mechanism, we are going to react this acetaldehyde with dilute NaOH. Then we need to consider about how many alpha hydrogen are present with this acetaldehyde. We can see this carbon is known as alpha carbon, and this alpha carbon is surrounded by 3 alpha hydrogen atoms. Then this alpha hydrogen is acidic, that shows acidic features. Then this acetaldehyde can be represented just like this. Then this OH minus, which receive from dilute NaOH, that attacks on this hydrogen, that means alpha hydrogen, and form this nucleophile. This is the first reaction of this mechanism. In the second reaction of this mechanism, this nucleophile will react with this acetaldehyde once again. And now we need to consider about the second part of this mechanism. In the second part, this carbonyl group of this aldehyde is polarized just like this. We know oxygen is more electronegative than carbon atom. Then this 5 bond dissociate on oxygen atom. Then oxygen takes delta minus charge and carbon takes delta plus charge. Then the nucleophile attacks on the carbon, which includes carbonyl group. Then the intermediate product should be just like this. Thereafter you have to keep remember guys, you need to rotate this hydrogen by 90° into back downward direction. Then this group should be rotate on upward direction by 90°. Then we can draw easily and very clearly the structure of intermediate compound just like this. Thereafter, this intermediate compound react with H2O, and this reaction will make this result. I will show you how this one is happening, and we can see H2O is polarized just like this. Hydrogen takes delta plus charge and OH minus have delta minus charge. Then this oxygen and hydrogen is making bonds on this reaction. As the final reaction of this mechanism, we need to react this. As the final part of this reaction, we need to react this product with I2 on heating. Then the resultant product should be just like this. I will show you how this is happening. We can see this compound. This one is known as Aldol compound. And then you need to eliminate one H2O molecule like this from this aldol compound. Then you will have this final product.